Hi guys! Time flies so fast, isn't it? You're already in the last lesson of this subject. How are you doing so far? That's good to hear. Lesson 9 is about feedback mechanisms. In this lesson, we will explain how organisms maintain steady internal conditions. Organisms employ a range of strategies to maintain internal stability amidst changing external conditions. From temperature regulation to osmotic balance and glucose control, various structures and processes ensure equilibrium. This overview explores the diverse mechanisms through which organisms achieve homeostasis, essential for their survival and adaptation. Have you ever wondered why we shiver when we're cold or why we sweat when we do physical activities? That's right. It's our way to regulate body temperature. Let's find out more about it.
Endotherms, like mammals, and birds, maintain a constant internal temperature through metabolic processes that generate heat, such as shivering, and by controlling heat loss or gain through behaviors like seeking shade or huddling. Ectotherms, like reptiles and amphibians, depend on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature, moving between sunny and shaded areas to warm up or cool down. Freshwater organisms face the challenge of gaining excess water through osmosis due to the hypotonic environment. They regulate this by excreting large amounts of dilute urine. Marine organisms confront the opposite issue, losing water to the hypertonic seawater. They counterbalance this by drinking seawater and excreting excess salts through specialized salt glands or by producing concentrated urine. Terrestrial organisms encounter water loss through evaporation from their bodies. They conserve water by minimizing surface area exposed to air, developing impermeable skin or exoskeletons, and producing concentrated urine or feces. Insulin and glucagon regulation in animals. The pancreas secretes insulin to lower blood glucose levels by promoting glucose uptake by cells and storage as glycogen in the liver and muscles. Glucagon, conversely, raises blood glucose levels by promoting glycogen breakdown glycogenolysis and glucose synthesis gluconeogenesis, photosynthesis, and cellular respiration in plants. Plants regulate glucose levels through photosynthesis, where they produce glucose from carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Glucose is stored as starch or broken down through cellular respiration to provide energy for growth, reproduction, and other metabolic processes.
In summary, organisms maintain steady internal conditions through a variety of mechanisms tailored to their specific environments and physiological needs, including temperature regulation through behavioral and metabolic adaptations, osmotic balance through specialized excretory organs and osmoregulatory strategies, and glucose regulation through hormonal control and metabolic processes. Let's have a recap of what we discussed. Why is it important for plants and animals to keep their internal conditions stable? It's crucial because stable internal conditions help organisms function properly and stay healthy. For example, if an animal's body gets too hot or too cold, its cells might not work right, leading to problems. How do animals control their body temperature? That's right. Animals can control their body temperature in different ways. Some, like us, make their own heat inside their bodies, like when we shiver. Others, like snakes, rely on outside sources of heat to warm up, like lying in the sun. What about water balance? Very good. Organisms need to balance the amount of water inside their bodies with the water outside. For example, fish in the ocean can drink water to replace what they lose, while desert animals don't drink much and conserve water in their bodies. How do animals and plants manage their sugar levels? That's right. Animals use hormones to keep their blood sugar stable, like insulin to lower it and glucagon to raise it. Plants make sugar through photosynthesis and store it for later or use it right away for energy. How do these things help plants and animals to survive? Excellent! By keeping things steady inside, animals and plants can live in different environments and handle changes better. It's like having a well-oiled machine. Everything works smoothly and they can adapt to whatever comes their way. That will be all for General Biology 2, and I hope that you had fun learning and sharing your thoughts with me. Have a great day! Goodbye!